If you're starting a renovation or a decorating project and you're feeling overwhelmed by all of the decisions that need to be made, I completely understand, and that's why I'm here for you. I can help. My name's Claire Jefford, and I'm a certified interior decorator. My role is to help simplify the process and make sure that you have a plan, because if you start a renovation or decorating project without a plan, you are literally going at it blind, and there will be mistakes. There will be change orders done with your contractor throughout the process, and this is going to cost you more money in the long run. So wouldn't it be nice to see your space before you actually renovate and be able to see the fabrics and see the area rugs and everything uploaded into a program so you can see it all before you commit to that renovation or decorating project? So we offer 3 different services. One is an interior design and color consultation. It may just be that you need 2 hours, someone to come in and help give you some ideas with some fresh eyes for your space and see the way that you can lay out the furniture, and also choosing color for your walls. When we choose color for our clients, we are looking at them on large paint boards, not the teeny tiny paint chips. I can show you why I'm choosing that specific color and make sure that it coordinates with all of your other elements, such as your fireplace tile, carpeting, backsplash. I know a lot of times people say it's just paint, but if you make that mistake, chances are you are not going to be repainting anytime soon, and it's not inexpensive. So making the investment to make sure you get the color right is definitely worthwhile. Another service that we offer to our clients is our 3D design service. This is really helpful if you're looking to a main floor redesign and you want to see what the space is going to look like when you take out that wall in between your kitchen and your living room, and you're not really sure how big of an island you could fit in the space, or how traffic flow is going to work once that wall is taken out. We're going to come in, we're going to do a consultation with you, we're going to find out about your lifestyle, your needs, and we're also going to measure up the space. Sometimes I bring my contractor in case you need to have a trustworthy trade that you can be referred to. Then we get working on your plans and we put together 2 options, and that way you can see different options that are available for laying out your space. Included in that PowerPoint presentation that we present to you, we give you the 2 different options as I mentioned, different views of different angles within the space so you can really see how it's going to look like when you're living within it. And we also provide a full scope of work that your contractor is going to need and things to consider for the design. We also provide inspirational photos, and we do 1 revision with up to 3 changes. Often we find that clients may like something that we give them in option A, and then they say, but we also like these 3 things that you did in option B. And if there's a way we can pull them together for you, absolutely, we will do it. From there, we can continue working with you to help you pick all of the finishes for the space. That may just be a day out shopping where we help you pick your countertops, your backsplash, your paint color, your cabinetry color, the details of the cabinetry, and fireplace stone, anything that you can think of for your main floor redesign. We can definitely help you with all of those crazy choices to simplify the process for you, and more importantly, make sure everything's going to flow in your space to look beautiful. And the other service that we provide is fully custom decorating services. So if you want that tailored look, one of a kind, just for you, we can absolutely help with that. Quite often for these packages, we are also doing 3D designs for clients. And again, the power of the 3D design with this is that I can upload specific fabrics, area rugs, even artwork, and the wall color to your space so you can see what it's going to look like, again, before you're actually committing to purchasing all of the products that we are suggesting for you. We source products from our trade-only decorating centers and other suppliers and vendors who we work with regularly. So it's really important for them to make sure that they keep us happy so we can keep you happy, because we shop with them all the time. It's also important if you want to have the custom details, so you can get a one-of-a-kind piece, whether you want some piping, whether you want nail head, whether you want different fabrics on the front of a chair or the back of the chair. We can make all of that happen for you so you get a look that's tailored just for you. We make it easy by taking care of all of the procurement, so we order all of the items for you. We'll also track the delivery time and make sure that we are arranging the installations for you. We're there for the installation day to make sure everything goes smoothly and you get that beautiful finished look. If you want to love where you live, contact us today. Head on over to my website and go to the contact page, fill in your details, and we'll get back to you within 48 hours. We so look forward to working with you.
Let's do that.
We just gotta drink it.
Yeah, it doesn't fit. I think so.
We're gonna have to start drinking the booze.
Doesn't work.